comments, but
Right off the bat, this sounds routine, but don't miss what's happening here. A man was arrested for being someone else. Same name, wrong person. And that raises a huge question. How does something like this even happen in a modern justice system? Stick with this because the explanation is about to get surprisingly technical.
Mr. Martinez, you have a very common name, and there are a gajillion Francisco Martinezes out there. Unfortunately, there is someone wanted in that jurisdiction that has your name. And you see now that you've been wrongly arrested, you're going to be released today. The fear is that this continues to happen. So I don't know, there are methods out there. And Mr. Kim, you say there's a letter that he can get.
yes.
What we're going to do is, I cannot give you legal advice, but I'm going to have your lawyer that we've appointed to represent you tell.
This is one of those moments where the system admits it messed up. But notice the limitation. I can't give legal advice. That's the judge staying in their lane. Still, imagine being in his position, arrested, processed, and now told, oops, wrong guy. Would a simple letter really make you feel safe? Or would you worry this could happen again?
Tell you how you can take care of this so that it doesn't happen again. So we're going to process you out. You should be out within hopefully the next 4 to 6 hours. Ricardo will tell you how to go about getting a letter so that this doesn't happen again. Do you have any questions? Did you want to add anything, Ricardo?
It's fair to say, Judge, it's just a bad situation.
Okay, this is the real issue. The system they're using relies on text only, name and date of birth, no photos, no fingerprints in real time. So if two people match those basics, you can get a false arrest. It's not just human error, it's a technology gap. Now here's the big question. In 2026, should a system like this still exist, or is this exactly why reforms are overdue?
Yeah, I mean, mistakes have been made, and I don't know, I guess the arresting officer, I don't understand why they wouldn't do just a little bit deeper dive.
Well, when they're on the field and it's obviously an arrest in the evening, is us being one of the few agencies that's truly 24/7, is that they can only confirm by teletype for whatever the fugitive division is. And so with it's most commonly name and date of birth, and statistically that should narrow it down, but it's just, I mean, because you can't take photos, or you can't send
have mobile apices
for that when they get processed in, but that only brings them in for, again, the same name and date of birth, but you can't trade mugshots with the demanding jurisdiction. Because the teletypes can't support images. And so ultimately it's only what the text is, and that text is the name and date of birth. So
On that sense, Judge, would his fingerprint goes with
and that's why I was, they've got these mobile apices that.
the mobile thing where they could just test them and see if it's his prints or not?
sure, but the majority of warrants, the way they're sent by teletype, again, a thumbprint can't be imaged in a teletype.
I got you.
So even if, so yes, there is a thumbprint, but there's no way
The
to.
thumbprint should be able to verify who this person is, whether they have the correct date of birth,
But
mugshots.
But that only corresponds to the warrant for the demanding jurisdiction if they have something to match it against. So that's the issue is, yes, it can pull it up on our side, but it's the same way even for our parole violations is they can't check on scene, especially at 1 a.m. That's why we're the second check, is that we're able to verify if there's a thumbprint, mugshot, etc.
You're going to be released here momentarily. I'll have Ricardo tell you how to take the next steps though, okay? All right, good luck, Mr. Martinez.
Thank you.
I think we still need a different one from Mr. Diaz.